it's your boy Lloyd Banks.
It's your man Nate the Great.
Yo, we back in full effect.
Yes, sir.
Yo, old man Hov, man, what's up with you in that jet ski, baby?
Looking crazy.
You looking like a bee.
You looking like
Oh my
fucking
god.
Like you get fucking AARP, yo. Fuck is up?
You definitely look like you belong in a retirement home, man.
Beyonce, how you let that nigga skeet? How? Explain this shit to me.
Right
I don't get it.
Right here.
I don't know.
Right
I don't
here.
get it, man.
Right here, and he's the GOAT,
This nigga
yo.
looking
He the
like-
GOAT.
Oh my
That
god.
nigga ain't the GOAT,
He
but
the
that
GOAT.
nigga.
Oh,
He the GOAT.
Yo,
That shit is
that
crazy.
nthat nigga looking like a goat on that
Yeah,
motherfucker.
he looking like a goat.
That nigga looking like
That's a fact.
that nigga look like a kid that mom made sure she put every safety pad in the world on him.
Yes, sir.
He had the knee, he had knee pads on that shit
He
too.
like 10 miles an hour.
Knees was up to his neck.
Yo,
Then they showed Beyonce, she getting that
she
shit up.
out there going
She
crazy.
been riding it like that since the Walker Houston did.
Oh
You know what
my
I'm
god,
saying?
man, Beyonce.
Yo.
That's how it is in the bedroom.
So we
Shit.
know.
That's how it is in the bedroom.
That's why I hold like this.
Hov in there holding on to the bed. Got the helmet on.
I can't die.
Got the helmet on and Beyonce in there giving him that crazy in love, boy.
Wait, hold up now. You said he ain't the GOAT?
What's happening?
Yo,
Nah, I don't think so.
What you mean he ain't the GOAT, bro?
That's a different
I don't
discussion.
think so.
Yo, I get it, man. He got the career, the longevity is there. I get it. The career, they get confused with the longevity. You know what I'm
It ain't
saying?
about longevity, bro.
Yeah,
Dude got balls.
Nah, he got
He got
balls.
balls, but all the balls is Biggie balls.
Whoa, you bugging, bro?
Man, I ain't bugging on shit.
What you?
All his balls is Biggie balls. Come on, man.
We gonna say this.
Out here with that, man. That nigga, that was the happiest day of his life when he heard Biggie was no more living, man.
Are you
Come on,
kidding
man.
me?
Stole all Biggie rhymes, man.
Wow.
Fuck
Nah.
that nigga OG Loc from Grand
You
Theft
see your phone, I
Auto.
bet.
The round book, gotta get the round book. The fuck out of here.
I bet you got
Come on,
mad
man.
Hov songs.
Hell no, never cared for
I got all
I'm from
those
Queens,
tracks,
nigga.
man. I got all
I'm from
those
Queens.
tracks. I don't know who I can.
Born and raised,
I don't know who
boy.
I can.
I'm born and raised in
I don't
Queens
rep
too.
no nigga from no Brooklyn.
Yo, I don't know, man. I don't. Real talk, I don't know.
Now it's
man.
all day.
I gotta really sit down. I gotta sit down and really think about who I want to rate as my number one right now.
I know who
man.
my number one is. He, you know what I'm saying, the greatest rapper of all
man.
time, died on March 9th, baby. You know what I'm
Oh
saying?
my god.
That was Jay-Z's happiest day of his life.
Yo, Jay, man, get back in the gym, bro. You looking horrible.
Yeah, man. Either that or stay beachside, baby.
Yeah,
You got that bread.
bro.
Sit in the cabana with Blue Ivy and the twins and
Yeah,
drink some Douce
Hey, yo.
and just chill out.
Yo, dude, don't even think about. After the way you look, don't even think about cheating on B again.
Yo, he better not. He like a beat.
From the way
Real
that
shit.
it's looking, bro. Yo, when she's out, she's gonna be out.
Definitely
Yeah.
drop another album, though.
Yo, you better drop an album. Don't do no more collabs with her, man. Leave her the hell alone, bro. Let her do her
Well,
own
he gotta
thing.
do what he gotta do. He
Yeah.
gotta keep the bedroom happy, man. He gotta do what he gotta do.
Yo, that was horrible, bro.
Gotta do what
I
you
don't
gotta
care
do,
what
man.
nobody say, man. Yo, do
Cheating with
another
white
collab.
ladies, man.
Yo,
Yo,
work on it with Kanye, man, and drop another collab with Ye, man.
Nah,
Alright?
Ye out of this world.
Yo, bro. Yo.
Yeah,
Yo,
mine.
nah.
I don't give a
Ye's
fuck.
still that
I don't
dude,
give a
man.
fuck what nobody say,
Ye's
bro.
still that dude.
The
Yeah,
album that
still
they
that
dropped
dude.
together was the
Production-wise,
shit.
Ye still that dude?
Of course.
Watch the Throne.
Of course.
That shit was a classic.
Yo,
fuck
classic,
yeah,
bro.
bro.
And I
Classic,
honestly
bro.
think Kanye body Jay on there. Real shit. Real shit. I said it before and I'm gonna continue to say it. Kanye did his thing on that
I don't
album.
care what nobody say. Kanye is one of my favorite rappers too. I ain't saying he's the greatest, but he's one of my favorite
Yeah,
rappers.
This is
He showed his greatness on that album. He showed his greatness on that album though.
Yo.
Real shit.
Only thing I gotta say, man, is 808s and Heartbreaks. Boy, that shit helped me through some things, man.
Yeah, man.
So I gotta say to you,
that, man.
808s and Heartbreaks.
I ain't gonna give you my real opinion on
No.
808s and Heartbreaks.
Green, Love versus Money, that shit put me through a lot of motherfucking shit.
Love versus
What I was
Money,
going
The
through.
Dream,
Real shit.
the
Real
best
shit.
3 albums,
Back to
best
back.
3 classics, period, in
Back
a
to
row.
back.
The
For R&B.
The Dream did it.
The Dream.
Oh, man.
And whoever don't know, you don't
Love,
know
hate?
music. If you don't know that shit,
Yo.
real shit.
Love, Hate,
Come on, man.
Love versus Money,
And Love King.
Love King, baby.
Come on, man. All 3
All
classics.
3 classics.
And whoever don't know that, holla at me right now.
no skips. No skips.
Real
Hey,
shit.
yo, let me shout
12
out.
play, TP2,
and
and none of those 3 albums ain't touching those 3. Yeah.
Facts, you right.
I mean, you right.
You right, but that's different. That was a different era. No. That was a different era. That was a different era though. I ain't gonna front. That was holding it down for the 90s. We talking about the 2000s, bro. From the 2000s on, the Dream got it on lock. And for y'all youngsters out there that don't know nothing about the Dream, go do your homework.
I can't. I gotta interrupt with that because Trey Songz had 3 classic albums too, bro.
It ain't messing with the Dream, bro. 3 in a row.
Dream, my nigga though.
Nah. Trey,
the Ready album, that shit was straight classic from the beginning to the end. Then he came out with the other shit after that.
I'm trying to tell you, it's not a classic then, cause it's not a classic.
I can't remember the name.
If you gotta remember, yo, bro, it's not a classic, bro.
But Chapter 5 was a classic too, bro.
But see, you hesitated on the.
I mean, I can't remember the.
It's not a classic, bro.
It's
not a classic.
Nah, you going to the funky?
Nah, bro.
I gotta remember the name of the album, bro. I can't remember the name of the album right now.
It's not a classic.
It was a classic.
No, it was. It's not a classic, bro. It was a classic in your house.
Nah,
it was a classic in your bedroom, bro.
That shit played the pressure. Come on, man. That shit was hard too.
Bro, you had to think. You had to go to the phone.
It's been a minute since I heard it, bro. But I'm telling you, it was no skips. And niggas that know that listen to Trey, they didn't know that shit was no skips.
And I never said Trey ain't the man.
I'm just saying.
But those 3 is not fucking with the Dreams.
I mean, the dream, my nigga. Real shit.
So, alright. Who's 3 is better? Keep it 100. The Dreams or Trey?
I'm gonna tell you right now, honest shit.
Real Trey.
Trey Songz shit is better because the Ready album on some real shit. The Ready album was better than all 3 of the Dream albums.
Wow.
Real shit.
Ready dapped it up and said,
the Dream is my nigga. Those 3 albums was straight classic. But the Ready album was a classic. Like that shit was up there with some of the best R&B albums of all time. The Ready album wasn't, but the Ready.
It was good.
Ready wasn't one of the best R&B albums of all time.
Bro.
I said one of the best. I'm not calling it the all-time best, but it's one of the best. The Ready album was one of the best R&B albums of all time. And I'm not taking nothing from Dream. Those 3 albums was classic, bro. But the Ready album was one of the classic albums of all time.
Bro, we're not talking about you're singling that one out.
I'm just saying that.
Well, I'm talking about 3.
Yeah, the classic Pain and Pressure was a classic.
So you're telling me Trey's 3
Chapter 5 was a classic too.
You're telling me Trey's back-to-back 3 is better than the Dream?
The Ready album was better than all 3 of those albums. So if I'm gonna say all 3, yes, Trey Songz all 3 was better than the Dreams 3. That's what I'm trying to say. Because the Ready album was better than all 3.
You're fucking
Did the Ready album get you through whatever you said you had to get through?
Yes, the Ready had me through mad shit. The Ready, I can't even speak about the shit.
All I know, Love
the Ready
Money,
album,
bro.
and the shit I did listening to the Ready album.
You got it.
The Dream albums was classic.
You got it. I ain't gonna argue with you no more, man. I ain't gonna argue with this guy no more,
Love and Hate was classic. Love vs. Money was classic.
I ain't gonna hear it.
But the Ready album was a classic.
And yo, shout out Tom Mercy.
Yeah, Tom Mercy shining.
Yeah.
And shout out my nigga Don Carlito with that Welfare to Bel Air shit. That shit is hard, bro. Check that shit out. Real shit.
Check out. I ain't hear that one.
The main reason I'm shouting out Ty because he said we had the same conversation on the side, and he was telling me that he think Party got the best 3 in a row. Party Next Door.
Yeah, really?
So I took the time out past couple days, and I listened to Party 1, 2, and 3, and I'm sorry, man. It's not fucking with the Dreams 3 classics. Party 1 is official. 2, it's alright. It ain't. He said there's no skips through all 3 albums.
Party 1, what song was on it? Is that the one that he had on the radio?
Yeah, he got some hits on there. I ain't gonna lie, he definitely got some hits on it. Now what I mean from the first album, no skips. The first album is definitely no skips. Second one, third one, you'll skip a track here there. I mean, it's not fucking with the Dream top 3. I'm sorry. Nah. But Party, you up there though. I got a whole new level of respect though for Party though. I ain't gonna front. Definitely. I definitely got a whole. You know what I'm saying? Anybody out there that feel like they got they know an artist out there that got 3 classics in a row, hit us up.
Word.
Put your comments, pop your shit. We gonna defend it, and yo, we definitely gonna do our research because this shit that we may not know that y'all know, and we definitely gonna look into it. But I'm sticking to my. The dream got the dream got to me. Got the classic.
I'm an old school.
No. The all definitely got
it. And I'm gonna have to listen to these 3 Dream albums.
No skips.
And I'm gonna have to listen to these 3
no skips.
Trey Songz album that he says classic. You know what I'm saying? The next episode I come back with y'all and show you what I'm thinking.
Trey got it, but I feel like sorry Trigger. There's some shit on there I could skip. I'm sorry. There's shit on there I can skip. There's shit on there I can skip.
With that, bro.
Yo, this shit on there that I can skip.
Right there, you can play from the beginning of Ready all the way through to chapter 5.
I know there's been too many road trips where the dream was on from 7 o'clock in the morning. That motherfucker was still bumping till 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Yeah, it was times like that. Me too.
No skips. No skips.
Everybody who's been around me, they know who I used to bump all the time. And the Dream Love versus Money got me through some real shit though, real shit.
That ass, and that to me was the hardest one out of them all.
Yeah, it was the hardest out of the 3.
He spent passion out of that one. I could relate to every relationship drama, everything out of all of that shit. So any nigga out there that got a whole bunch of shit going on, yo, and you don't know, and you not listening to the Dream, go listen to that.
Word, that's a fact.
Definitely go check that out. You gonna be like, yo,
spin.
Yo, the album to listen to first. If you definitely trying to find out what's what, Love versus Money.
Word.
That's the one.
If you on some lovey-dovey shit.
Love hate.
The Ready album, bro. You want to have some babies and all that. You and your lady want to be in love and you want to propose.
Love hate.
Bump that Ready album, bro. I'm telling you. Bump that Ready album.
Yo, this dude right here.
Speaking of Ready, look like Dame ready to leave Portland.
That ass. Yo, Dame, man. Yo, I want you in New York, but yo, team up with LeBron, bro. If you can make it over there, do it, man.
Nah, LeBron. Just wait for CP3.
Hell,
CP3.
What are you gonna wait 4 years? CP just signed 4 years with them.
Oh yeah, that's right. They both signed 4 years.
Yeah, what the fuck you mean?
So wait for them after the 4 years.
Oh my God, so you can play with you.
That nigga CP gonna be in a wheelchair, bro.
You can play with Bron.
Get the fuck out of here.
You can play with your little LeBron. Yeah.
But the real shit, I know we spoke about this shit already, but that super team, that shit is lit. And 2K, I used to do the same thing all the time. If you go look at my 2K joint, I had Kobe, Jordan, Magic Johnson, Shaquille O'Neal. I had all of them on one team.
I didn't do that 2K. You know why I didn't do that 2K?
What?
Because I was the super team, bro. I was at 99.
Yeah, I was at 99 too.
Let me fly, yo.
But when I didn't want to play, I just wanted a whole mega team. I used to do the same shit.
And every 5 minutes, he put on a different jersey.
Yeah, you know that. What do you do? Every quarter you change jerseys?
Nah.
When you play
my team losing, I just switched to the other side and play with the other team.
Either that or you fucking cut the whole game off and start anew, yo.
Nah, don't get that bad. They don't get that bad. But any niggas that want to see me in 2K, you can hit me up on Lloyd Banks. Send me them tags, and I'm gonna bust that ass.
Ooh, what system you got so I can serve you?
PS4.
You got PS4? We got one right here.
Right there.
Definitely can serve you.
Yo, shit, yo, we gonna definitely post that. I wanna see.
Record
yes sir. Yes,
sir. You can see it. And
don't
you
be
can use your
Warrior.
Yeah, you can use your Warrior.
Yeah,
I'm gonna beat you with the Knicks.
My release with Curry is sick.
I'm gonna beat you with the Knicks.
He said Tim Hardaway gonna be serving.
That's a 30 point. That's a 30 point.
I'm gonna beat you with the Knicks.
That's an easy 30 point.
I'm gonna beat you with the Knicks.
Come on, man. Knicks ain't got nobody.
You look like, oh my God, this guy can probably play with anybody.
Nah, I don't believe it.
You get beat with the Knicks. Nah, you got a super
like
team.
50 say, I don't believe you.
Yeah, you can say that. You gonna be going home scratching your head like, what the fuck just happened?
Nah, me. Everybody know I get busy.
Oh my God.
We gonna see.
Yo, I hope everybody out there had a happy and safe 4th of July, man.
Definitely.
They didn't blow your fingers off like this dude with one of the Giants. You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
Y'all got all your shit still intact.
Watch your mouth.
You feel me?
Watch your mouth.
You a Giant fan?
Even though
that's why you boycotted last year.
Watch your
you used the capping niggas as excuse. That would make sense.
You should have boycotted. You said they watch them losing the Eagles. You said they watch your Eagles, yo.
All you players that boycotted, now it makes sense because the team
was already home.
Yeah,
it was already home.
Now it makes sense.
Already home.
Yo, that's
hide in the crib on one knee.
Quick question though. How many times y'all beat the Giants in the Super Bowl?
It don't matter. I know you was watching this. I guarantee the Giants was in the Super Bowl now. You would have been watching.
I watch football.
So
I watch football.
It got exposed. I got exposed. Now see.
Yeah, you see.
Your Giants ain't doing shit. Your man Odell out here. Your man Odell out here. Still worried about dancing. Why are you worried about dancing?
Who that?
Worry about winning games. Your man Odell. I see him out here dancing and shit. Why is he still dancing?
Odell is Odell, man.
He's the king of New York, man. He's the king of New York.
Yo,
he the king of New York.
Odell's the king of New York.
Oh my God.
Is he the king of New York,
King of
bro?
New York. What? Odell's the king.
How the hell Odell the king?
He ain't the king. He the prince, yo.
I gotta do the king, bro. I think the prince. I think he's somewhere
royalty, yo.
I give him the
I don't
prince,
think
bro.
we got one. Tell you the truth.
Wow.
I don't think we got one.
You don't think we got a king of New York?
Nah, I don't think we got a king of New York.
the king
right
of New
now.
York.
Ain't nobody holding down for no New York team.
Yo, the king of New York is in Boston right now. He ain't get here yet.
He ain't get here yet.
Kyrie, bro.
Because I don't think ain't nobody holding down.
Kyrie, get here, man.
King of New York is Aaron Judge, New York Yankees. I know y'all watch baseball like that.
Especially at the Yankees. I'm a Met fan.
I know.
So I don't watch the Yankees.
Man.
Come on, man. All y'all Yankees know before the game, you go get them steroids and pump that shit right in your ass. That's real shit. The Yankee fans been on steroids from back in the day when Derek Jeter and them boys were there, and they still on that shit.
Would you like some?
Come on, man.
We can spare something to the next.
Nah, we official and we original.
They gotta do, man.
Yeah. We know A-Rod pumping that every time J-Lo take them clothes off. We know he in there hold on, babe, I'll be right back. And he go right in.
Yo, shit, I don't blame him. I don't blame him.
Better be doing something.
I don't blame him.
I told y'all already, man.
I'm making a prediction right now. Oh, yeah, cut your shit off. I'm making a prediction. Knicks making the 8th seed this year.
Damn, that's a bold prediction. Because KP might not even be back.
That's right. Without him.
They better sign somebody from the Big Three. Beat the Ice Cube and get some of them players from the Big Three. Because in the Big Three, some of the players still looking good. I ain't gonna lie. Some of the players still look like they can do it.
Who jersey you getting from the Big Three?
Huh?
Who jersey you getting from the Big Three?
BD.
There you go.
Yeah,
Baron Davis. I know it. Yo, my man. This is what he do.
He better than all the Knicks.
Yo, but Baron
Nick
Davis.
College right now.
You know how many times Baron Davis said he trying to come back?
Yo, but they don't want to sign him.
Of course, that belly can't fit in the damn jersey, bro.
What
you mean? Baron Davis is the
I
man, though, bro. Don't sleep on Baron Davis, bro.
I ain't sleeping on Baron. You sleeping on Baron Davis. Who? My belly in the shirt.
Snoring.
Yeah, bro.
No.
Come on.
Baron Davis was hitting 4 pointers, bro.
Yo, bro. Baron Davis is nice, bro.
Defense,
Yo, Baron Davis, I'm calling you out. I'm calling you out on a one-on-one.
I'm
calling you out on a one-on-one.
Baron Davis do his thing, man, bro.
I guarantee you.
Yo, is the Big Three sponsored by St. Ives or OEs?
I don't know.
All them old niggas out there playing ball.
Yo.
NWA is sponsoring
You remember the old nigga that come to the park, got the 40 on the corner?
Because Katino Mobley, I didn't even recognize him. I thought it was one of the uncles at a cookout. Oh shit! That's Katino Mobley? Oh,
yo, they got a lot of dudes.
Where's Steve Francis at?
That's looking washed.
That's
yo,
that's where they got the movie idea from Uncle Drew.
Yo, you see Yo, you see? Yo, you seen that picture of Steve Francis that they had on there? My man was looking washed.
Yo, bro, bigger than that. Did y'all see the picture of Cassidy? Yo, he like smoking crack, yo.
God,
I don't know, man.
Cassidy, I mean, you was a hustler. Now you copping from the hustler. What's happening?
I don't know, bro. Hey, yo, he came out of jail all brolic, neck all swole. Yo, what the hell happened?
Crack is real.
Word.
Yo, oh my
That's
God.
what happens, man.
He went from
on that Lamar.
Yeah, he went from I'm a hustler to copping from the hustler.
Yeah, man.
Yo, it's your boy and me.
That's your boy Lloyd Banks.
It's your man Nate the Great.
Yo, make sure you follow us on Instagram. Make sure you tune into us at Fire_NYC_TV.
Man, fuck that. Hit that like button. Hit that motherfucking subscribe button.
You heard? But before I do my shit, I want to give a big happy birthday to my nigga Emmy.
Oh, yes, sir. Happy birthday. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Appreciate it. Get back to that shit. Shaq, Kenny, and Charles, we coming for you, nigga.
Yes, sir.